Hello everyone, this is Sean, your Eustis roof guy. We're here in downtown beautiful Eustis. Just finished a roof here. I want to show you guys what the finished product looks like. I'm really proud of this roof. We put this roof on. This is a beautiful Dynasty Drift Shake. Absolutely stunning roof. As you can see, they just finished this roof up. One of the things I want to point out is that you can see the dumpster's still here, of course, because we just finished the roof. Look at this. As we pan around here, we'll walk around this and show you what to expect after you have a roof replaced by XLR8 Roofing. It's just absolutely beautiful. You'd never know we were here. These guys do a fantastic job of cleaning up, in addition to doing just an absolutely gorgeous roof. Look at this thing again. The color is absolutely perfect for this house. Highlighted with the brown drip edge, which just frames it out like a beautiful picture. Let's walk around a little bit more and show what kind of a fine job that we do. Doing some great things out here in Eustis. This neighborhood alone, I think this is the 7th or 8th roof we put on. I've got one down the street I'm gonna show you in a minute. A couple of brand new skylights, as you can tell. Of course, one of the best, the impact resistant, high quality skylights. It's just a gorgeous roof. No debris back here, which is great. It's a big windy day yesterday doing this roof. These guys do an amazing job. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this final product. Pleased I am with this, how amazing it looks. You guys, especially out in Eustis, give us a call. We want to be your Eustis roof guys. Anyway, this is Sean with XLR8 Roofing, and you guys have a great day.